84 years old, and that's your favorite song right there.
That's right.
Love on Top.
That's right.
Oh man, that song right there. That's just a great song. She modulates in 5 different keys. All musicians out there that understand and that study music know that that's a bad record. The only other person did it in the song was probably Mariah Carey.
Yeah.
Yeah, when she hit those high notes, but she'd go to 5 different key changes and she modulate each time.
I think a lot of people underestimate Beyonce's level and range.
Right.
They get so caught up in her entertainment factor on stage.
Right.
But she can sing, man.
Oh,
For real.
yeah.
For real. So how did that song make you feel every morning we played it? You wait for us to play that song. You wake up with
I
us.
sure do.
So what time do you wake up in the morning?
4 o'clock,
And you turn how many radios you have on in your house?
3,
3 radios. One, and where are the radios?
1 in the bathroom, 1 in my bedroom, and 1 in the hallway.
In the hallway. So you listen to the Ricky Smiley Morning Show.
Every morning.
Even when, and you went from the hip hop station to R&B.
That's right.
You followed us.
That's right.
84 years old.
Yeah.
Shout out all the senior citizens that's out there making it happen. Listen, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Have you? See right here? Click right here and press the bell so you can see my videos as soon as they're uploaded, okay? So once they upload, you can see all the videos right there. Press that right there. Don't press it, mash it.